since the firm has received more than the applications offered and they have categorized into two, we have to prepare an adjustment table to find out any excess money received from any category which will be adjusted towards allotment money. The company has received 1,25,000 shares and they've decided to allot 1 lakh shares to the applicants of 1,20,000 shares. So we have one category and the balance 5,000 were not allotted any shares, so that money received in application will be refunded. As you can see, the first column you can use abbreviations: shares applied, second column shares allotted, third column application money received, then adjustment for 4 installments: application, allotment, first call, second final call, and refund if any. We have the first category 1,20,000 applicants or received, application received. Of that you have decided to allot 1 lakh shares, but you have received at the rate of ₹3 application money on 1,20,000 shares, that is ₹3,60,000. Since you have decided to allot 1 lakh shares, your application money should also be on 1 lakh at the rate of 3, that is 3 lakhs. So in the column of application under adjustment, column number 4, you will write 3 lakhs. But you have received 3,60,000. So you have excess money of 60,000 which will be adjusted towards allotted money of that 1 lakh shares later on. And rest will be dashed because no excess money you have, that will be adjusted towards call money or refunded. Second category is 5,000. At the rate ₹3, you have received 15,000. Since you have not decided to allot, nothing will be adjusted towards application allotment, first call, second call. It will be in the last column, 15,000 as money refunded. Now you check your calculations. First column should be 1,25,000 application received. Company offered 1 lakh shares, then 1,25,000 to 3 gives you 3,75,000. When you add also, it should be 3,75,000. On 1 lakh, your application money should be 3 lakh. You have not written, you write yourself. 3 lakh should come down. Allotment 60,000, excess money, and refund 15,000. The journal entries for combined account for application allotment will be like this. On October 15th, for receiving the application money only, bank account debit to share application and allotment account, you will show the application money received on 1,25,000 shares of ₹3 each. That is column number 3 of your adjustment table. On November 1st, the date on which the allotment will be made, share application and allotment account debit with 5 lakhs. Now how we got 5 lakhs? If you recall, the second entry is for transfer of application money to share capital account. So I have done the working. You can see 1 lakh into 3 is for application money which will be transferred to share capital account. But since you are maintaining a combined account, we will have to show the allotment money due amount along with this entry, what used to do earlier as the third entry. So the second and third has been clubbed together, combined. The third entry would have been share allotment account debit to share capital account. But now in this question, since they have asked to maintain a combined account, 1 lakh into 2 is the rate of allotment. So 3 lakh plus 2 lakh, 5 lakh is the amount. To share capital account, 5 lakh being application money on 1 lakh shares at the rate ₹3 and allotment money due on 1 lakh shares at the rate ₹2 to transfer to share capital account. Then refund of 5,000 share money entry would be share application allotment account debit to bank account with rupees 15,000. Next entry is for receiving the allot money. Since my page has changed, I will put the year and the month again, 2019 November 1st. For receiving the allotted money, bank account debit to share application and allotment account, being allotment received less rupees 60,000 all received along with or with application money. If you recall column number 5, if you see, you have already shown in your adjustment table 60,000 as excess money received, which will deduct from 2 lakhs, which is in that 5 lakh amount. The 2 lakh represents allotment money due, less 60,000 gives you 1,40,000. Now rest of the entries for first call and second call is similar as earlier. 2 entries for first call and 2 entries for second final call on their respective dates. That's all for today.